Yeah, so we coming back live to you right now, you feel me? Man, everything on point right now. Shit, we got the freaking passport came in. And I'm going to pick up my girl now, so I want to see how she gonna be feeling. I know she gonna be in a good chipper mood, as you can expect. And I'm definitely happy that this thing got pulled off, man. The government really was taking a long time, seemed like it, giving us a lot of hassle about proving who I am. So good thing that went through, and I'm out of here, man. So definitely looking forward to it, babe. So like I said, I didn't never lose confidence that we wouldn't get it. You know, I was even when it went down, I even told her, I said, babe, I said, shoot, we gonna prepare like we going, because we gonna be ready just in case, you know, whatever. We gonna be ready just as if we going. You know what I'm saying? So now we just got to get a ride to the airport, so that's cool. And we'll do what we got to do. So we want to pick her up now. And as you can see, shoot, today we're going to celebrate a little bit. Might go get a little drinks or something like that. And just chill it out, you feel me? So stay tuned for some more posts and we'll talk back. Thank y'all for joining on our countdown to Europe. Holla back. Boss.